True. Yes, in the last term we will discuss about simple harmonic motion of two waves when superimposed and the frequencies ratio is 1:1. Now we will discuss composition of two rectangular vibration of frequencies ratio 2:1. That means one is the frequency is 2 and second frequency is 1. So for example, we have just considered the displacement of two waves. One is called x is equal to a sine 2 omega t plus 5 and the second wave is y is equal to b sine omega t. Then again the process from equation number 2, y upon b is equal to sine omega t, cos omega t is equal to under root 1 minus y square upon b square. Similar formula, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Then cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta, this much, and this will value will become y square upon b square. Expanding again equation number 1, to x upon a is equal to sine a plus b, sine a cos b plus cos a sine b, to sine 2 omega t cos 5 plus cos 2 omega t sine 5. X upon a, again sine 2 omega t, this is the formula of sine 2a, 2 sine a into cos a. So 2 sine a into cos a, this will remain as it is, plus cos 2 omega t is the trigonometric formula 1 minus का 2 sine square omega t and sine phi is as it is. X upon a 2, substituting the values of sine omega t, that means y upon b cos omega t, substitute this value under root of 1 minus y square upon b square, cos phi is as it is, plus 1 minus 2 sine square omega t, again y square upon b square sine phi. X upon a, this value will become in the left hand side and it will become 1 minus 2y square upon b square sine phi is equal to, this value will become as it is. Squaring both sides, x square upon a square plus the second factor square minus का twice x a 1 minus 2 square b square sine phi is equal to, squaring also this side, so it will become 4y square b square, the square root is cancelled and cos square phi, x square upon a square. Now open this bracket, 1 plus 4 square upon b square minus 2 to the 4 y square upon b square sine square phi minus this multiplied by this 2x upon a sine phi minus minus plus 2 to the 4 x y square upon ab sine phi, and this value again 4y square upon b square cos square phi again multiplied by this function will become this. Now simplify this case, x square upon a square plus sine square phi is multiplied by 1 sine square phi plus 4y square upon b square. You have this taken common, so it will become sine square phi here in that case. Again 4y square upon b to power 4 in the bracket cos square phi. So these are the two equations, and this time it will become positive. Again y square upon b square sine square phi cos square phi, this will become 1 to x square upon a square plus sine square phi and this factor minus का 2x upon a will bracket in the side, again 4y square upon b square, this is again becomes 1, so it is minus 4y upon b square plus this term is 4xy square upon a square sine phi is equal to 0. This is the whole square upon xa upon a minus sine phi upon 2 square plus 4y square upon b square is common, again y square upon b square minus this. So this equation represent a curve having two loops, that means one is here and second is here. So this equation represent a curve having two loops which is resultant part of the composite vibration. Now here we will consider the different cases. For example, case number 1, when phi is equal to 0, pi or 2 pi, so in this value sin phi also becomes 0. Again if sin phi is 0, the equation reduce, this will become 0 to x square upon a square plus 4y square upon b square y square upon b square, this will become 0, minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of figure 8. This is the figure of the equation 8. You can say that the resultant path of the two vibrations of frequencies 2:1 is figure 8. Second case, phi is equal to pi by 2, sin phi is equal to 1. To x upon a minus 1 square plus 4y square upon b square, y square upon b square, and it will again plus x upon a sin phi is 1 and it will become minus 0. So this equation will reduce x upon a minus 1 square plus 4y square upon b square 4 x upon a minus 1 whole square plus 4 y square upon b की power 4 multiplied by this term 4 y square upon b square x minus 1 is at this. Stop. Now the main equation x upon a minus 1 plus 2y square upon b square whole square is equal to 0. So this represent two coincident parabola each of which has the equation x upon a minus 1 plus 2y square upon b square is equal to 0. Again this equation is 2y square upon b square. This will taken in the right hand side. It will becomes minus x upon a minus 1. Then y square is equal to b square upon 2a is equal to this one. So this is again the equation of a similar parabola and the figure will be the this much. So this is the path traveled by the particle. Case number third is phi is equal to pi by 4. If phi is equal to pi by 4, then the path of the trajectory, that means trajectory of the particle, is given by this figure. This is nothing. So this is the two simple harmonic motions having the frequency 2:1. They have the different types of figures, different types of the path, which is shown by the figure. Thank you.